Hello and welcome to my channel Missy Debs. Well, today we are going to talk about the excessive heat that our skin is getting exposed to. Well, the heat outside can lead to dehydration and it will increase the water loss in our body. And this will lead to skin irritation, redness, sunburn, suntan and so on. Well, our skin might begin to feel more oily as excessive heat and humidity cause more oil production in the skin and leading to clogged pores, acne, pimples and so on. Now, here comes our savior, pineapple. As you can see, I am cutting out the pineapple because I am going to show you a solution for all this matter. Well, pineapples are rich in alpha hydroxy acid, which we commonly known as AHA, but it will help you to exfoliate our dead skin cells. As well as pineapple is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that will treat our acne, sun damage and sun scars. It also contains a powerful enzyme known as bromelain, which will help to even out our skin. So after we prepare the pineapple paste, let's begin with the number 1 face pack. So the first one, you have to take 1 tablespoon of gram flour and you have to add 1 tablespoon of pineapple paste. Well, gram flour has skin lightening properties and combined it with the pineapple, it will help you to, just make your clogged pores open and it will cleanse your clogged pores from inside and it will help you to reduce the acne scars, pimple on your face. So combine these two well and then apply it on your skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes and after it dries off, wash it off with cold water. Now let's begin with the number 2 face pack. For the second one, you have to take 1 tablespoon of pineapple paste and you have to add 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, and if you don't have coconut milk, not a problem, you can take regular raw milk, add it to it and combine the face pack. Milk is a natural cleanser and pineapple is an all-round exfoliator. So the combination of these two will give you moisturized and cleansed skin. So you have to put this pack on your face, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and when it dries up, wash it off with cleansed water. So this is the easiest possible way to apply pineapple face mask on your face and get the benefits from it. I hope this video was quite useful and informative to you all. And if you do like my videos, then do like, share and subscribe who haven't yet subscribed my channel so that I can make more videos like this kind and share with you guys. And I hope you will do like and share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos that are upcoming soon.